So as promised, I'm gonna show you guys how to make soursop leaves tea. Soursops are really high in antioxidant. They help reduce inflammation in the body. They help fight free radicals and so much more. Honestly, the list of benefits is insane. Like, I recently discovered this and I was blown away by everything it does. So if you don't know about them, I highly suggest you go and read about it because it is truly like a little miracle leaf. So let's get into how to make it. So to make a pot of tea, you need about like 10 to 12 leaves. So I'm just gonna count them. I feel like I'm counting money. First, we need to wash them. So I like to put mine in a bowl with filtered water and I just let them soak a little bit and give them like a good little shake, and then I rinse them out. So once your leaves are washed, you're gonna take a pot and fill it with water. Like, I fill mine so pretty high, I think you can see, but it's gonna reduce in size a lot. So you wanna fill it like pretty good, but not to overflow. This is what they look like when they're all cut and ready to be boiled. So at first we're gonna bring the fire pretty high and bring it to a real good boil, and then we're gonna reduce the fire a little bit to about a medium and let it like simmer. Like, you want it to still be boiling, but more of a simmer kind of vibe. And you want to leave it for about 20 to 30 minutes. But like, you kind of have to gauge it, so keep an eye on it. The way you'll know the tea is ready is because the water will have reduced by half.